Hi, this is Raj from Embossed Sportscars. I've got an absolutely amazing Porsche 992 Carrera S. This is an absolutely stunning 2020 model year car, registered in 2019 in that absolutely epic Aventurine Green. It's a car I actually sourced for a good friend of mine, and now it is up for sale because he's emigrating. So it's in absolutely lovely condition. I've actually known this car, as I said before, so I've known this car a while. It's actually got full Porsche main dealer service history, and it's also got OPC warranty till mid-July next year, so July 2025. And as you can see, it looks absolutely stunning with the Motorsport Gold Porsche stripe. That is like a dealer fit option, as are the lovely gold accents there. It's got the Aurum Gold Carrera S Mark V wheels, which, as you can see, are in stunning condition as well. With it being an S, it's got the larger brake calipers, so they're in finishing guards red with Porsche inscription on them. Discs and pads are all good all round. I've just washed the car, so that's why they're not nice and shiny. Tyres are all good as well. They're Goodyear N-rated tyres, Eagle F1s. I'll just show you the back one as well. I just love this combination of gold and green. I think it's really complementary of this shape, the 992, the latest shape. It has the LED matrix headlights with the PDLS, so they actually rotate as you go around corners, so it lights up the corner as you go around them. It has the full sport design package, so it has the sport design front bumper, the side skirts as well, and the rear bumper as well is also the sport design, which I think looks really nice because you get this you get the number plate where it should be, not really low down in between the exhausts. I think it really makes it look much more shapely at the back. With that, it's got the gold lettering for the Porsche there, and the full tail light bar as well. I'll just turn that on so you can see. Really stunning with that beautiful bar. All the 992s are the wide body, so they're all the same width, and it's got the quad LED daylight running lights as well, which are so recognizable now when you see these. It's got park assist front and rear, and also the cameras. So it's got a camera just here, cameras in the mirrors, which are electric folding mirrors as well, the optional electric folding, and a camera at the back as well. So it gives you a top view when you're getting close to anything or reversing. Let me just start it up because it's worth hearing this amazing 3-litre turbo, twin turbo I should say. You control everything to do with the car through this system here. So you can change the exhaust, which once it's heated up, it will sound absolutely epic. You can put the spoiler up. You can also, you've got CarPlay as well. So I've got my phone connected in the middle here. So this car's covered 20,099 miles. It's next due a service, I believe, June next year. Yeah, June next year. And that's just a minor, I think. Just look at these dials. So this dial here, you can change what you see here. So you can have the map, you can have all these different controls, and you can even change this one now. So this is new. So you can have a customized view. So there we go. And then you can put it in the different modes. It also has a boost mode for 20 seconds. So when you press that, it's got sport response. So if you wanted to overtake someone, you just press that button, and for 20 seconds you get ultimate power. Top speed is 191. It will do 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds. And it has 444 brake horsepower, 391 foot-pound of torque. So a huge amount of power in this car. Absolutely sensational. So you can put it in the different modes by twisting this one here. It's got cruise control as well, auto lights as well, as you'd expect. Voice control, full car integration with your phone, as well as sort of like the DAB and everything else. It's also got the Bose system, and it's got the lovely sort of top spec seats. So these are called the adaptive hardback sport seats. So they have, I think it's 18-way adjustability. So you've got the bolsters go in and out, knee support, lumbar support, and the full, including the base, can go independently up front and back. And the back is also in that lovely hardback there. The seats are in what's called Agave, I think you'd say it, but again, that's to complement the lovely optional Special Order Aventurine Green, which is very, very popular these days. It's got the full memory system for the driver's side, so it remembers the steering wheel position, the seat, and the mirrors for the 2 keys. It is keyless as well, and the key is actually in lovely Agave green, Aventurine Green as well, so that really is a lovely flourish there. I mean, I just love this car. It is so ferocious. The 3-litre twin turbo just delivers so much power. No matter what gear it's in, it's a 7-speed PDK, so it runs in full manual, full auto, or you can at any point use the paddles behind the steering wheel, which follow the steering wheel angle to change gear. So they're just here. Not absolutely exceptional. So there are the rear section there. That's all you get to see is where you top up the coolant and oil and the cooling fans. It says 3-litre S there. There is the front boot. All the tools on that side. It's got a Porsche battery and the Porsche tyre compressor under that section there, and the warning triangle there. All the original VIN stickers on the panels as well, in the door shuts as well. So this is an exceptionally original, unmolested car. Now the whole front end is treated with PPF. So that is the mirror, the wings, the bonnet, front bumper, just to protect them from stone chips. So it's in exceptionally good condition. I'm just checking the mirrors are also got it on as well. It's got the privacy glass, and I'll just show you the full options list, because I put this together for every car that we sell. So there is the spec. You can view this on the website with the advert. So there is the full option list: sports exhaust, PASM, Aurum Silk gold metallic wheels, sport design package, multifunction steering wheel there, which is also heated. So there's a button on the back, steering wheel heating switched off, so I'll just turn it on with the button there switched on. So yeah, it's got a lovely heated steering wheel. Keyless entry, seat heating as well, 20-inch front wheels, 21-inch rear wheels, which is standard for the S models. Tyre pressure monitoring, stainless steel door entry guards there. Parking sensor, as I said, the navigation system, which is a hard drive system. So you've got not only your phone's system, so I've got Waves set up there, but you can also go to the car navigation as well, and then you've got the full Porsche system as well. So that is I don't know, yeah, and it's all touchscreen as well, which is really nice. The LED matrix PDLS plus lights. It doesn't have rear wiper, which makes it look very clean at the back. Mirrorlink for CarPlay, online services, the seat belts, an Agave green, PDK, Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus with the electronic rear locking differential, premium radio, PADM, so that's the Porsche active drivetrain mounts. So in the different modes you have everything adapting in this car. So that's the suspension, the drivetrain mounts, the steering, the throttle, the gear box profile, and even the power settings as well. So it's a really amazing car because it can be driven very relaxed but also very ferocious as well. 18-way sport seats, voice control, aluminium package in matte black, and then yeah, tyre pressure monitoring, and even the sports look pedals, so it's got the upgraded pedals as well. Then it's all broken into by area, and then we've also got here the maintenance records. So 2019 supplied by Porsche Reading, service Porsche Reading, and then Porsche Hatfield. And as I said, next service isn't due till middle of next year. But as you can see, this car is absolutely sensational, sounds amazing, and drives unlike anything else. It's just an absolute rocket ship when you want it to be, but also it can be very, very tame as well. Well, hopefully has piqued your interest. If you are interested in this beautiful 992 Carrera S, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you for watching.